In other news this evening, the Broadcasting Corporation of the Bahamas tapping into new markets as it strengthens its focus on local content. ZNS has finalized an agreement allowing its programming to beam across Jamaica with the potential for an even wider regional reach. Arnika Bannister has the story.
The Broadcasting Corporation is seeking to propel its reach in the Caribbean. After a successful link into the Turks and Caicos Islands, the focus is now on the growing regional market through Flow TV, offering television services in 20 Caribbean countries. Chairman Paiswell Forbes is optimistic about the potential for ZNS.
So we are just proud to be here. We want to say to you, we look forward to us bringing our product, and also you avoiding some of your products also hopefully from this community back to us in the Bahamas. And this could only grow from strength to strength.
In Jamaica, Flow TV offers television services including channel packages and pay-per-view options. Manager of Finance Atara O'Sullivan is hoping to take this partnership to an even higher level.
On behalf of Flow, we're very honored to have this contract. We're looking forward to another 5+ years and the expansion into other markets in the CWC realm in the Caribbean with ZNS. So we're looking forward to that partnership. We're glad that we are here, and we can't wait to see what's to come.
General Manager Clint Watson shares his thoughts on the agreement, saying he is excited and looks forward to this partnership with Flow.
We believe that this unique partnership with Flow TV sets us up for that. Flow is regional. It's in various countries in the Caribbean, and that makes a kind of partnership that we need of a platform that is in various jurisdictions to carry the stories of the Caribbean people. And so we're very excited. We value this partnership with Flow TV. We look forward to growing it and sustaining it because of this impact that this company has regionally.
Deputy General Manager of Family Island Affairs, Darren Meadows, added that this collaboration will not only extend ZNS broadcast into Jamaica, but will also open the door for expansion into several other countries. He breaks down exactly how this will work.
The partnership really is a television signal carriage agreement where ZNS is put on the network in various countries, and so when you go to the Turks and Caicos Islands and you turn on your Flow TV, you could click to ZNS and see the news and see the content just as if you were in the Bahamas. And so that is what we are trying to broaden and go into different Caribbean countries. And so Jamaica is one that we really have our eyes set on, and we believe that we can make a mark if we do that.
This is a partnership that bridges the Bahamas, Jamaica, and beyond with vast potential for the corporation's growth and viability in the region. Reporting for the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Arnika Bannister.